Dear friends, we gather this evening in what should be a season of joy, feeling a great weight of sadness, our celebration of peace now marred by violence, a festival of light for Jews and Christians now overshadowed by darkness. To the extent that I can speak for Catholics, for Christians, for believers, for people of goodwill, I say to our Jewish sisters and brothers, you are not alone. We got you. We got you. Our task is to keep the light burning. My Jewish friends, your resilience inspires us, and those who died this Hanukkah will be remembered. We will honour them best by ensuring anti-Semitism is prevented and denounced.
We mourn the devastation inflicted at another. At this cathedral, dedicated to our Catholic faith, we grieve for all those who were killed affirming their faith. Jewish Australians deliberately targeted on the first night of Hanukkah. As they came together at that beautiful place to renew their hope, their resilience, their belief in the power of light, the darkness of terror and anti-Semitism was cast upon them. Our nation is stronger than the cowards who seek to divide us. The spirit of the country that we have built together will always be greater than those who seek to breach it. We are braver than the people who try to make us afraid. We will not be divided.
Here in Australia, we believe, and we must continue to prove, that people have a fundamental right to be able to live openly, practice their faith freely, and feel safe doing it. That promise matters, and it's one we recommit to tonight.
I have been overwhelmed by the demonstrations of solidarity that have come to me from people of many faiths since Sunday evening, from neighbours and from leaders at every level. It is truly heartwarming to know that you stand with us and against violence and hatred.
Beautiful. I love it. It's touching. Very, very, touching for me. Yeah, I love it. I'm so glad I come in tonight.
It was deeply moving. I think we're all sad at the moment, and it's wonderful that heads of the country and the churches could come together and commemorate, remember those who lost their lives. Yes, I was deeply moved.
Really beautiful how everyone's been able to come together through all of this. My brother and I visited Bondi last night, and the display of everyone together, it was just very touching. It was very warm, and I think that that's kind of been, showed here tonight. It shows how we're all together as one, just showing everyone respect and who we are as Australians, yeah.
And so I say, and so I pray, let there be lights.
good to bring everyone together. It was just what we needed. I think it was an amazing thing that we all got to see, and it was very peaceful. Yeah, it like brings the community together, and then like people can connect and like be happy together after a sad week.
People coming together, not really having the fear to step outside and be amongst everybody through different cultures and religions, and yeah, it's pretty special night.
It's important for us to stand in solidarity and be out tonight.
Light always wins as well, even in darkness, and I think we saw that tonight with everyone coming together.